What's up, guys? Welcome back. Prototype. So we've drawn the full body, the half body, and now the head. So nice, sort of simple one, right? Because he's a complicated guy to draw, so I thought we'd focus on just like that round face of his, that creepy round face. The prototype. So we'll start with his eyes. So those kind of egg-shaped eyes reminds me of like South Park, you know, those style eyes. So they kind of curve. And it's kind of a long circle or an egg sort of tilted in. You know, you want it to be sort of bending in that way, and the other one bends in towards it. And of course it's just black inside there, but we'll draw everything first before we add the black. So we'll go again, similar type of shape, just leaning in the other way. So it's like two eggs that are just like about to sort of touch. So leaning in there. So he's only got one color part of his eye. So we just curve this. And then a pupil in the middle. And that's like glowing yellow. And then, so his mouth, this big, it's kind of bumpy, right? You could do a smooth one if you wanted, but if you want it to be just like the video game, it's kind of bumpy, right? Like that. It's like doo, doo, doo. And then it comes down in the middle, just underneath his eye. And then it goes around. And then up on the other eye. And then it goes a little bit bumpy again. That's a big sort of long smile line. And then the bottom part curves like so. Bring it down. And this steps up again. So it goes up here, like a little change of direction. And then it resumes the curve around to the other side. Okay, it's like little points in there. So then the teeth. So he's got like a gum line. So you just bump the gum line around the teeth, right? There on the corners. You can see most gum on the corners. And then we can see the bumpy tops of the teeth here. These pink gums of his. And then teeth all come down from each of these, right? So, and they're kind of round on the sides. I think there's a couple of them that are kind of spiky there. You just keep going, adding each tooth the whole way around. Right, and then all the teeth down here, and some of them are sharp down here, and we can see gums as well. So we got like these sharp ones, spiky ones here, and you can see like the whole bottom of the teeth, and there's 3 over here as well. And then we get the gum line for the bottom of these teeth, so you bump around again. And then these teeth are slightly smaller and they go underneath this row. So this one doesn't go underneath, but the rest of them do. Like they all kind of go underneath here. Do do do. Right, and then you can kind of see a bit of his gum on the side here. It's like a bumpy sort of gum line. And then we'll draw the big circle that goes the whole way around this, right? So the white sort of full moon face of his. So just bring it the whole way around. Right, so it's like half, and then go again. And then sometimes, so he has like a dip in his, sort of like where his nose would be, kind of around the eyes. Kind of like edge lines kind of coming around here. And then I think there is like a crack on his face there, and maybe like a little one here. And he's kind of dirty, so like dots and scratches and all this kind of stuff just make him look a bit creepier. You could of course do more cracks. I've seen pictures of him where he's like really cracked and destroyed and stuff. So it's kind of up to you how many of those cracks you want to do. So, right, then this kind of jester colored-y hat. So we'll bring this around. And it kind of dips down in the middle. Back up. Right, and it's kind of like a broken line. And then it has maybe a bit of an edge. Just coming around like. So then we have the pointy parts. So this one comes down here. It comes out from the head. Yep. Down here. And then the other one, so it goes up. This is the blue one on top. So it'll go down this way. And there's like, it goes into a clip for those golden things that he has on his head. But it kind of goes back around here. Okay. So, and then there's one more that comes out this way a little bit. And then we separate them. So blue section, so that's the blue, yellow, red, and then there is some like colored-y patches here going down his neck as well. So like say like his neck comes down here. And it looks like blue, yellow, red, blue, blue, yellow. So just like wavy sort of. Blue, yellow, red, and blue in there. So these kind of baubles that sit off his, at the end of each one of these. So just like a circle. And it's kind of attached on with a sort of a little clip there. And then we have an edge to it. Just these little golden sort of jingle bell type things, you know, those Christmas sort of. Circle, a little bit of an edge on it, and then there you can actually see those little things where the sound comes out. And then another one. I'm going to turn that one that way. So that one has a single clip because we're looking at it from the side. Put some more dirt on his hat and all that kind of stuff. Make him look a bit grimy and dirty. Whoever the voice actor was is really good. You know, he talks, hello. Real deep, deep voice. Right, so collar. So big, pointy sort of collar. Comes around from the back of his neck. There's a bit of a button there. Same on this side. This one will dip down a bit further so you don't see the button. And then he's got a red kind of ribbon thing around his neck there. And he's got a big collar. Chunk taken out of it. Edge lines and fold lines. And just the shoulders, so he's got like these wide shoulder pads. This one's higher up. And then we can just see a bit of his arm sticking out down here. And again, you can make him look a bit dirty and grimy and scarier, basically. There you go, a portrait of the prototype. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.